Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to make this type of template in just a few minutes in Canva without any much detailing and in a few minutes. So let's start, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the way, you can get this template from the link in the description below, or you can just ask me in the comments to send you this template link. So first of all, what we're going to do is insert a round the corner rectangle into our template. So let me just insert a rounded corner rectangle. Then I'm just gonna go change this color to white, then go to effects, and from here what I'm gonna do is just kind of change its effect to drop, or you can just use glow as well. Next I'm gonna insert a smaller rounded corner rectangle on top. What I need to do is just put it right here. We're gonna change this color like this. Here we go. Next we're gonna add our text and duplicate this using Ctrl+D key after selecting it. Here we go. The next thing I need to do is just basically paste all my stuff in this template, and here we are. Next I'm gonna duplicate this template and I'm just gonna move this round corner rectangle next to that text box that we made. Remove all of the text and everything from this template, and then I'm just gonna add other stuff onto my template. The next thing I need to do is just duplicate this template again, and we're gonna move this round corner rectangle to the third text box and remove everything from our template, and then we're just gonna paste other stuff onto this template that we need to use. Here we are. Next I'm gonna duplicate it again and move everything to the next template, and I'm just gonna change all of this template stuff, whatever I have here. This is gonna be our contact template, so let me just put everything here. We're gonna go to transitions from here between the tabs, and what we're gonna do is use the match and move and change the timing to 1. Go again right here, and we're gonna click on apply to all. So yeah, this is the final result of what we made in this video. If you like this tutorial, make sure to hit the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can get this template for free from the link in the description below, or you can just ask me in the comments to send you this template.